In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create a product showcase on Wix, a feature that can significantly enhance your online store. Our first step in building a product showcase is quite straightforward. You will begin by looking for the Add button. The Add button is typically located on the upper or sidebar menu, depending on the version of Wix you're using. It's a crucial button because it helps you add a multitude of elements such as text, pictures, slideshows, and much more to your website. Once you've successfully located the Add button, the next step involves you clicking on it. By clicking on this button, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu gives you a vast array of options from which you can select the element you want to add to your site. For this specific tutorial, we are focusing on creating a product showcase. Therefore, from the drop-down menu, you will proceed to look for and click on the Store option. This option should be available along with other alternatives, so take your time to ensure you select the right feature. The Store option is there for anyone who intends to sell their goods or services directly from their Wix website. Once you have located the Store function and clicked on it, the next sub-step involves adding a product. You will see an Add Product option in the menu. By selecting this option, you'll be taken to a new page where you can input details about each product you plan on showcasing. Here, you can add product names, descriptions, pricing, and any other relevant information for potential customers. After you've successfully filled out product details, you'll be able to see a list of your products. This list is the start of your product showcase, the virtual shop front where customers can see all you have to offer. It's a dynamic space where updates are easy to make, ensuring your clients always have the most current information about your items. In essence, creating a product showcase on Wix involves navigating through a series of menu and sub-menu options. With each click, you're adding a layer of customer-facing information to your website. It's a process that can be simple and enjoyable, yielding visibly rewarding results. Now, go ahead and start building your groundbreaking product showcase. With these steps, you're well on your way to curating a compelling, customer-friendly online shopping experience.